Good morning, students. Welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. This is our mathematics period and we did the chapter 11 Algebra. Today we will do the exercise 11.5 page number 240. First question, state which of the following are equations with a variable. Equations in one variable. We can check. First one, 17 equal to x plus 7. Here equal simple, moreover one variable. So this is an equation. Which is the variable? X. B, t minus 7 greater than 5. Here not an equal simple, so this is not an equation. C question, 4 by 2 equal to 2. Only numbers are here with equal simple. So this is an equation, numerical equation. Next one, x minus 2 equal to 0. Equal symbol is there. So this is an equation, algebraic equation. 2n plus 1 equal to 11. It is also an equation, equal simple. 20 equal to 5y. This is an equation. So children, you understood how we can decide whether the given statements are equations or not. There should be an equal simple. One or two variables may come. Here we introduce the equations with one variable only. Okay. Number 2, complete the entries in the third column. This is the third column. First column equation is given. Second column value of the variable. We should check whether this value satisfied or not in this equation. Okay. So here first one, 10y is equal to 80. Value is y equal to 10. If we substitute 10 into 10, we will get 100, not 80. So this value is not an solution, or this value is not satisfied in this equation. Next one, 10y is equal to 80, same equation. These three are same equations, but the values are varying. Y is equal to 8. 10 into 8, 80. So this value is satisfied this equation. Okay. Next, 10y is equal to 80, y is equal to 5. If we substitute y here, 10 into 5, 50, not equal to 80. So this value is not satisfied in the equation. Okay. Next one, 4l equal to 20, l equal to 20. L equal to 20, if we substitute here 4 into 20, not equal to 20. So this 20 is not the value of L. Okay. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Children, you can see some values are given in this bracket. We have to check whether they are satisfying for these equations or not. First value 10. Equation is 5m is equal to 60. If we put m equal to 10, the equation becomes 5 into 10 is equal to 50, not equal to 60. So it is not a solution. Next value, put m equal to 5. Then this equation becomes 5 into 5 equal to 25. That's not equal to 60. Put m equal to 12. We can write 5 into 12 is equal to 60. So this equation satisfies for this value m is equal. So we can write m equal to 12 is the solution of 5m is equal to 60. Here we proved these other values are not satisfying the equation. Okay. Next question, n plus 12 is equal to 20. So put n equal to 12. First value 12. 12 plus 12 not equal to 20. So it is not a solution. Put n equal to 8. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Therefore n equal to 8 satisfy the equation. Next question, q by 2 equal to 7. So q equal to 7. If we put q equal to 7, 7 by 2 not equal to 7. If we put q equal to 2, 2 by 2 not equal to 7. If we put q equal to 10, 10 by 2 also not equal to 7. So these values are not solution of this equation. Q equal to 14. 14 by 2 we know that it is 7. So q equal to 14 is the solution of this equation. Okay, understood? You can do this set of problems I have left. 2 questions for you. You people do the question. Okay. Next question. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to the equation. Equation is m plus 10 equal to 16. So 2 rows are there, m and m plus 10. For m we will substitute these values 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 7. Then if m equal to 1, m plus 1, m plus 10, what will be there? 1 plus 10, that is 11. If m equal to 2, 2 plus 10, 12. m equal to 3, 3 plus 10, 13. In this way we will write, and when it will be 16, in this column we got 16. m plus 10 equal to 16 is here. For what value of m? For which value of m? 6. So we can write solution is m equal to 6. Student, do you understood the way? So here this is the equation that we wrote here. Values given here. Substituting we got 16 when m equal to 6. So solution m equal to 6. Next question, question number 5. Complete the table and find the solution for the equation 5t equal to 35. What do you mean by 5t? 5 into t. So, as before, we will substitute different values for t in the first column. Second column, the given equation, LHS we will write 5t. So, when t equal to 3, 5 into 3, 15. When t equal to 4, 5 into 4, 20. T equal to 7, 5 into 7, 35. So, we wrote the equation 5t equal to 35 and we got the value t equal to 7. So, the solution is t equal to 7. So, children, what we studied in algebra? Equation and its solution. In this way, you can write the equation for the given statements and you can solve yourself if you put different variables and different values. Okay. Here we conclude the chapter 11 algebra. You study the topic well and do more and more problems in your rough book and practice well. Thank you, children.